Good morning and welcome to this HTML5 course. In this chapter, we will see how to distribute QR codes. To announce the URL on physical places, so QR codes are useful for printing, also for the physical web because useful for applications that are based on geographical location, to generate a QR code. So what is it? It's a barcode in 2 dimensions, so it can be useful for maps, URLs, and text. You can print them out and use the QR code scanner on your cell phone to use the URL. If your URL is too long, you can shorten it. So we will immediately go to a site that generates a QR code. So here we are on goqr.me, where you can generate your QR code. For example, we will try to generate the code for our site that we just hosted. So I'm going to copy and paste the URL, and I'm going to choose here the URL, and I'm going to copy it. This generates my QR code here. I can download it or make an embed, for example, to use on sites or other. I can also have the possibility to put it on a t-shirt, to make cards, etc. Now, if your URL is too long, you can go to the site tinyurl.com, which will propose a shortcut for your URL. So I will add this here and I will make tinyurl. So it offers me a much shorter URL that I can use on my site now. So that's it for the QR code generation.